we have too much stress in the body and we have too much stress in our mind. Qigong routine help you to make the energy flowing again in our mind. If things not flow well, stuck and make you feel very sick, make you feel not healthy. This kind of exercise that you can relax the body to offer space and time for yourself to let go. How do you make your energy flow? Well, sometimes we feel stuck. We feel stuck in the body and also stuck in our mind. Sometimes we feel that we have a blockage in our shoulders, in our back, because we sit too long, because we have too much stress in the body and we have too much stress in our mind. This kind of exercise, this kind of Qigong routine help you to make the energy flowing again. You do exercise in such a way that you can relax the body, to allow yourself to breathe in deep and breathe out, release tensions and let go. Okay? To offer space and time for yourself to let go, to make your body, your mind, to make energy flow. Smiling is help me to relax. Sometimes I do exercise, I feel very relaxed. I offer myself the space to let it go, to release all tensions, and to offer, this is the space and time for me to circulate the energy, circulate the blood, circulate the Qi energy, and circulate my mind. That's why I find the balance after exercise. Exercise in the nature is very important, because for me, the nature itself has capacity and insight to make the flow naturally in our mind. If things not flow well, stuck and make you feel very sick, make you feel not healthy. So every day, exercise. The first movement we call the stretching palm, okay? Two legs standing parallel together. Breathe in, your hand holding together, stretch up. Out, turn to the left. In, stretch up in the center. Out, open. Allow your shoulders and your chest to relax, okay? Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, right turn. In, center. Out, open. Smile, okay? Let it go. Breathe in. Out, left. In, center. Stand tall. Out, let it go, open. Breathe in. Out, right. In, center. Out, open. That's so wonderful. Breathe in, you stretch your hands upward. Turn around. Out. You may breathe naturally through your nose, okay? So the next one we call the circle arms, okay? Standing also two legs parallel together, as wide as your shoulders. Breathe in, your hands up. Out, move down from the left. You keep your knees straight, okay? You can reach as far as you can, properly the grass, the earth. Breathe in again, move up from the right. Allow yourself to make the circle bigger and do reverse. Out. Let it go all anxiety and sorrow to the earth. In, up. Reverse. Out. Allow your lower back to relax, your hips to relax. In. Out. Let it go. Worries, sadness. Okay. In. Out. In. Up. Out. Now. One more time from the left. Inhale. Exhale. Go down. Breathe in. Up. And then you come back. Breathe out. The next movement, bending lower back. Index fingers, thumb come together. Okay. To put on your lower back. Okay, like that. To keep like this. So the position like you can support your lower back. Okay. Breathe in, you bend your head backwards. Breathe out, you bend your head forward to allow yourself to bend as far as you can, okay? In, move up. Relax your neck and your lower back. Breathe out, allow yourself to reach down, look down to the earth and let go, okay? Feel your lower back. In, deep. You can bend a little bit more. Out. Release tensions, let it go. Inhale. I feel so good to bend my back. Exhale. In. Out. In. Out. That's so wonderful. Open your palms. Breathe in deep. Out. Slow. I bring my mind back to the body again. The next one we call the separating heaven and earth, twisting body. Okay. Two hands open together like this. Breathe in. Right palm on the top. Holding the earth together. Out. Move forward one time. In another time. And out. Right palm push up and left palm push down. Separating heaven and earth and twisting body. Breathe in and out 3 times to feel the sky above you, to feel the earth under you, and we into awe. You are in the center of the cosmos, rooted to the earth, solid as the mountain, as a tree, and free as a cloud. Breathe in, out. I feel solid. In, out. I feel free. In, out. I feel connected to the earth. And then right palm will be on your head, and left hand in the back of your left hand will touch your lower back. Okay, like that. Yeah, like that. And then breathe in, twist the body to the left. Look the other side. Out. Come back and open your elbows on the right side. Inhale. Exhale. I let it go, my worries. In. Out. And then breathe in. Left palm on the top. Breathe in. And out. Move forward one time. In another time. Out. Press one up. The right hand down. 3 times of breathing. Feel connected to the earth and cultivation, energy of solidity and freedom. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. Left palm on your head and right hand on your lower back. Breathe in, twist the body to the right. Look the other side. Out, open, come back, open your left elbow. In. Out. In. Out. That's so wonderful. Open your palms, breathe in deep. Out, slow. Bring your awareness back to your dantian area, your lower abdomen. Feel relaxed. Feel rested. So the dragon. Breathe in. Hands up together. Out, left turn. In, right turn. Out, cut left. In, cut right. Out, chop down to the left. Okay. In, up again, and left turn. Out, cut right. In, cut left. Out, chop down to the right. Breathe in, left, point to the left. Out, point to the right. In, point to the left. Look to the left. Out, point to the right. In, point to the left. Out, point to the right. In, center, and out, jump, let it go. Breathe in, hands up. Out, left turn. In, right turn. Out, cut left. In, cut right. Out, chop down to the left. In, up again. Left. Out, cut right. In, cut left. Out, chop down to the right. In, left, point to the left. Out, point to the right. In, left. Out, right. One more time. In, left. Out, right. In, center. Let it go. Open your palms. Breathe in deep. Out, slow.